Oh, so this is Hazel. She is my golden laced Wyandotte. She's probably about a year, maybe almost a year and a half now. And this is the second time that she has gone broody. So I decided to give her, well, I gave her 12 eggs and one ended up breaking on like day 2. So she has been sitting on 11 eggs. It is day 15. And let's candle them and see if we have any babies or not. You ready, Hazel? Yeah? Let's see. Oh, yeah. We got movement. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, number 10. So this is number 11. This is little Violet's egg. I do not think that this one is fertile because it's lighting up like a light bulb. So I am over the moon that we have movement in 10 eggs at day 15. So we'll see. We got 6 more days to go, and we'll see if little Violet's questionable egg hatches. Like I said, I'm leaving it there just to see. Heaven forbid there's a tiny chick in it because it's a little egg. We're going to leave it. Might have 11, but for sure I got 10 little baby chicks. Oh, I'm so excited. So we will check in about 6 days and see how many babies we got. I'm so excited. Bye.